Well, I hope I broke that one. How is that even still doing anything? It's all rust. Oh, it broke. Camera wasn't recording, but that's the bolt and it snapped right off. What? Wow! Some lubricant here. There. Little. There we go. It's free. That on there for the night. Off. Next. There we go. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh. Go. Doing. One. Dusty. Rubber ducky. Broke that line right off. Whatever. Yep. I hope this doesn't spill gasoline on. Drop it down and down. Do it for now. I mean, at least get me through the winter until that new one comes in. Set it on the rear control arm. Kind of wipe it down a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. Actually do it by hand. I'm gonna. It should just slide right on. Clamp. Things. Sweet. There. Let's reinstall this panel. Push that one in.